Want to know how to chat with AI in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up Cursor AI on your website. So once you've opened it up, make sure you have it downloaded and signed up as well. So once you have done all of that, you should be provided with this interface where by default you should be on a new file, or where you can upload files and folders. Now you can just simply create a new file for easiness, and once I done that, in order to open up a chatbot, you can just simply select Ctrl+L on your keyboard. So once you have selected Ctrl+L, you should be provided with this interface right here. So on the rightmost side, you should be seeing new chat right here. So you can just simply add tabs to your new chat by selecting plus, and you can see this chatbot coming up. So you can just simply type in anything. So once you have selected that, here it should plan next moves, and it should tell you how it handles calls and how you can be taught calls or the call function. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.